Road surveyors in Mehrauli play a crucial role in the development and maintenance of the road infrastructure in the area. Mehrauli, a historic neighborhood in Delhi, has seen rapid urbanization and population growth in recent years, leading to increased demand for well-designed and efficient road networks. The role of road surveyors is to assess the existing road conditions, identify areas for improvement, and propose design solutions that meet the needs of the local community. They work closely with government agencies, engineers, and other stakeholders to ensure that the road designs are safe, cost-effective, and sustainable. They have a team of experienced road surveyors who are well-versed in the specific challenges faced by Mehrauli. SCON Design works closely with government agencies and local authorities to develop road designs that meet their requirements and priorities. Their expertise in urban planning and transportation engineering allows them to create innovative solutions that improve mobility and connectivity while minimizing disruptions to the existing infrastructure. One of the key considerations for road surveyors in Mehrauli is to incorporate sustainable design principles into their projects. This involves using environmentally friendly materials, implementing stormwater management strategies, and integrating green spaces into the road network. By taking a holistic approach to road design, the surveyors ensure that the roads not only serve their primary purpose but also contribute to the overall livability and sustainability of the neighborhood. Their expertise in data collection, analysis, and design allows them to propose solutions that meet the needs of the local community while considering factors such as traffic flow, safety, and environmental impact. By working closely with firms like SCON Design, they ensure that Mehrauli has well-designed roads that enhance mobility, connectivity, and quality of life for its residents. Road surveyors in Mehrauli play a crucial role in the design and development of roads in Delhi. With the rapid urbanization and population growth in the city, the need for well-designed and efficient road networks has become a priority. Road surveyors are responsible for conducting surveys and collecting data that is essential for the planning and construction of roads. These professionals use advanced tools and technologies to measure and analyze various factors such as land topography, traffic flow, and environmental conditions. Mehrauli, located in the southern part of Delhi, is a densely populated area with a mix of residential and commercial establishments. The presence of historical landmarks and tourist attractions also adds to the complexity of road design in this locality. Road surveyors in Mehrauli have to take into account the existing infrastructure, land use patterns, and traffic volume while designing new roads or improving existing ones. They work closely with urban planners, engineers, and architects to ensure that the road network meets the needs of the residents and facilitates smooth transportation. The process of road surveying in Mehrauli involves various steps. The first step is to conduct a detailed topographic survey of the area.